Hi guys, this is the second video on cursive writing, and once again keeping basic handwriting rules into mind, and after practicing the basic strokes and cursive writing video 1, we begin with the letter G. So I'll show you first the formation in big. This is the way it is curved, then a half circle, then a slanting line which is extended till the end and it goes towards the left side. Again it goes up in the form of slanting line. In line it will be written as, remember, both the lines half. That is the concept. Make all the three lines complete, and after that I told you last week that whatever, or in the last video rather, that whatever is left and he is not able to do, whether it is A, C or D, you can start doing that after G. So whatever your child was not comfortable out of these, or you were not comfortable, you can do that, and then you can go to the next letter, which is letter H. The formation is a curve, then you go up slanting, then towards the left upside, come down as a curve, and then a straight line, then it is a curve where the line ends, where both the lines meet, make a curve, then come down as a straight line and then go up as a curve. So basically H is written like this, and you know letters like B, D, F all are going to be little more than half the line. F is going to be in two lines, whereas H, B and D is going to be in one line. Now we move forward to the next alphabet, and that is letter I. This is a slanting or a curve, then a straight line, and then a curve in the end and a dot on top. So letter I is written like this, and you can make your child write again the three lines of it. Now we move to the next alphabet, which is letter J. It is a slanting line, then a straight line going down, then making a curve towards the left, and a slanting line attaching to it towards the right, and a dot. So J is written like this. Again, three lines concept. Moving towards the next letter, that is letter K. K is a curve, then going up, then a straight, then again a curve, then a straight line coming down, then you make something like this, and then a straight line going upwards. This is like a shape of a L shape out here. So this is the way K is written. It is again going to be little more than half the line. Now we move forward to the next letter, which is letter L. This is very simple, nothing but a slanting line, then take a curve towards the left, come down as a straight line, and then a curve towards the right. So three lines of this, and then we move forward to our next letter, which is letter M. Now M is written like this. This is a slanting line, then you come down, take a curve towards the right, and then come down as a straight line, then go up a curve, then come down as a straight line, then again a curve, then come down as a straight line, and then a curve in the end. You have to see that the size of all three of them are the same. It should not be like this is going either more up or it is being less. Okay, it has to be the same size. So when you give your child or you are doing, it's going to be like this. This is more perfect because it's a little curve here and not slanting. This is half the line. This I did it little big just to show you. So that's it for today.
So that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you for watching.